All right, so we're about to cook a steak on the cheapest camp grill we could find. This thing literally folds flat. Stores in a little bag. We had a couple of extra Amazon bucks. I don't know if that's what you call them, Amazon bucks, but anyway, acorns are falling everywhere. So we had a couple of Amazon dollars, bucks, whatever you want to call them, and this thing was 16 bucks to the door. It assembles just like that, and it packs flat. It's a flat pack camp grill. So we're gonna grab some coals out of the campfire here, and we're gonna cook a steak. All right, so I've got a potato and the aluminum foil. That usually takes about 20 minutes. And what I'll do is do 20 minutes, roll it, and do another 20 minutes. And I've got some coals here in the camp grill. And this is what we're cooking. A nice piece of beef tenderloin. So I'm going to season this with some Montreal steak seasoning. And if you're familiar with the Dragon, 129, Highway 129 Dragon, you can hear the motorcycles in the background. I'm at Look Rock Campground. Let's see if I can roll this here and not pick up that piece of stuff there. So anyway, there are lots of motorcycles that ride the Dragon, and you usually hear those quite a bit, at least until sundown. All right. Oh man, dang it. All right, well, looks good. So let's grab our steak. And we hear a sizzle. A little bit. I may have to pick this up and do some extra coals. So this is how we're looking so far. That's a big chunk of meat. So this is going to take a little while. All right, so while that's cooking, I'm going to cut up some chives and some basil that we brought from our home garden. So we're about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so in. I did have to add more coals. So it does have to have quite a pile of coals in there. But we finally have some sizzle. All right, so we have about 4 minutes left on the potato. I went ahead and butterflied the steak. The outside is looking pretty tasty, so we should be eating soon. All right, it is time to eat. Man, this is super tasty. The little grill did fantastic. I'll put a link in either the description or the comments, one of the two, but very pleased.